Welcome to Synapse India. Synapse India is driven by four core values. We stay goal-oriented, which helps us deliver successful project completion and strong client satisfaction. We think out of the box, so our solutions are creative and help brands stand out globally. We are decisive by taking quick, informed decisions and using strong problem-solving to move projects forward. And we are logical and meticulous, ensuring every detail is right and every process is followed. So we deliver reliable results every time. Synapse India has been delivering IT solutions since 2000. Over the next 6 months, we plan to expand our team to over 500 IT professionals. We follow a structured, process-oriented approach aligned with CMMI Level 5 standards, powered by our in-house ERP and CRM. We believe people drive success, so we focus on trust, stability, and strong growth opportunities for our teams, with fully automated and transparent workflows. We also minimize manual reporting. At Synapse India, we strongly believe in the career growth and development of our people. We support everyone through mentorship and different training programs that help improve knowledge and skills. We also prioritize quality work, and we build strong client relationships by staying reliable and trustworthy. Our success is driven by a team of technically competent, certified, and experienced professionals, and to maintain a consistent customer experience, we follow a structured customer satisfaction index. It starts from a standard benchmark on the date of joining, and then it changes over time based on each individual's performance. Now, coming to the safety and convenience facilities around Synapse India, NACZ has strong security measures, which ensure a safe environment. Nothing unwanted or illegal can enter without the approval of the security personnel. It also has secured vehicle parking, and all offices are equipped with surveillance cameras for continuous monitoring. In terms of connectivity, the NACZ metro station is located nearby, making commuting easy. Public transport options like buses, shared or personal autos, and cabs are also easily available. We also promote an eco-friendly workplace to support the health and well-being of our employees. And for daily convenience, there are multiple canteens and ATMs located close to the office. Here are a few of our key clients. We've worked with globally recognized organizations like IBM, 3M, Microsoft, Nestle, and the United Nations. Along with that, we've delivered projects for brands including PayPal, Braun, Kenwood, Audi, Johnson & Johnson, Mahindra, GTEx, and Steve Madden. Now, talking about our partnerships, Synapse India is a Microsoft partner and a Google partner. We are also Shopify partners and a BigCommerce certified partner. Along with that, we are Wix partners, and we are members of the Entrepreneurs Organization and YPO. Now, coming to job security, at Synapse India, there have been no layoffs. We have not laid off anyone, even during challenging market conditions, including COVID-19. If someone is capable but not delivering the desired output, we take a proactive approach. We provide mentorship and support to help them overcome gaps and get back on track. Overall, we strongly prioritize job security for every individual working in the company. At Synapse India, we regularly conduct in-house training sessions so that everyone follows best practices consistently. Along with that, the company actively encourages and guides employees to pursue certification courses, so they stay updated with the latest technologies and tools. Now, coming to the benefits, Synapse India recognizes and rewards top performers every month through awards like Best Performer and Star Performer for consistently outstanding performance. Annual appraisals are conducted for all employees, and in some cases, exceptional performers have received increments of more than 100%. The company also has a strong track record of crediting salaries on time since the year 2000, typically. The first month's salary is issued via check at the permanent address, and for the initial 3 months, the salary credit date can be up to the 10th of the month. And finally, employee health and safety is prioritized, so medical and accidental insurance coverage is provided. The leave policy includes a total of 24 leaves in a year, 6 sick leaves, 6 casual leaves, and 12 earned leaves. Earned leaves can be availed from January onwards after completing one full calendar year from the date of joining. The notice period is 90 days, which helps ensure a smooth and well-planned transition. There is also a probation period. Standard office timings are from 9:15 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. In case of emergencies. Employees who are permanently work from office are allowed to take up 2-3 short leaves per month. Also, permanently work from office employees are allowed a maximum of 4 late arrivals per month, with a grace period of up to 10 minutes. At Synapse India, we create a positive and connected work culture by celebrating major festivals with enthusiasm and fun. Whether it's Diwali, Holi, or Christmas, we come together as a team and celebrate with a strong sense of unity. We also acknowledge important days like Foundation Day, Women's Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, birthdays, and more. Employees actively participate in different activities, and these celebrations help make the workplace more engaging and memorable. Here you can see a glimpse of our annual cricket match at Synapse India. We played as teams, enjoyed the game, and it was a great team-building activity. Here are some highlights from Synapse India's Foundation Day celebrations. It was a great team moment with activities, bonding, and a strong sense of togetherness. This is another glimpse from our Foundation Day celebration at Synapse India. We had a DJ night with energetic music and great lighting, and everyone enjoyed dancing and celebrating together. At Synapse India, we prioritize the health and well-being of our employees. To create a positive work environment, the office is equipped with special anti-radiation and negative energy removal chips. These are meant to protect individuals from harmful electromagnetic radiation and also support a more balanced, Vastu-compliant workspace. These chips are clinically tested and certified, with proven health benefits. They are designed to reduce the impact of electromagnetic radiation, help lower stress levels, and support overall immunity and well-being. At Synapse India, we value and support innovation, and we believe great ideas can come from anyone. That's why we maintain an open and engaged environment. We also have a fun and ego-free culture where diversity and individual thoughts are encouraged and respected. To keep everyone connected, we run initiatives like monthly town hall sessions, which promote open communication and collaboration across teams. And we also follow a dress code policy that focuses on looking smart, professional, and presentable. At Synapse India, management recognizes and supports the potential of each individual by providing suitable work and clear growth opportunities. The leadership also follows an open-door policy, which means employees can communicate openly and get guidance when needed. This creates transparency, builds confidence, and contributes strongly to overall success. Overall, the management policies are pro-employee and focused on employee welfare. Now, coming to CSR, corporate social responsibility, we believe in giving back to society and conducting our work in a socially responsible manner. As part of this commitment, we support a trust in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, which provides ancient education to hundreds of underprivileged children. Through this initiative, we aim to contribute to their learning, well-being, and overall development. Continuing with CSR, This trust focuses on educating underprivileged children and helping them learn ancient Indian values that are inherited from our history. The aim is to preserve and promote our cultural heritage through education and disciplined learning. Through our support, we contribute to this initiative and help strengthen their learning environment and overall development. We work on multiple technologies across web, mobile, and AI, like .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, React, WordPress, Magento, Shopify, Salesforce, UiPath, TensorFlow, OpenAI and many more. At Synapse India, we offer end-to-end technology solutions across multiple areas like e-commerce development, mobile app development, and web application development. We also work on Azure, cognitive services, and Office 365 implementations, along with robotic process automation. In addition, we provide AI and machine learning solutions, AWS-based development, SaaS solutions, CRM solutions, digital marketing, CMA solutions, and overall cloud solutions. Now, these are the main points of contact for different types of support within the organization. For any IT-related issues like laptops, internet, email, or software problems, you can contact the IT support team. For queries related to our in-house Huzin software, you can reach out to the Huzin department. For HR matters such as attendance, leave, salary, policies, or appraisals, the HR team will assist you. For admin or housekeeping needs like stationery, cleaning, or cafeteria support, you can also connect with the concerned admin team. These contact points ensure that your concerns are resolved quickly and efficiently by the right department. If you want to refer someone for an open position, you can discuss it directly with the HR department. You can also add the reference in our in-house software, Huzin. Alternatively, you can share the reference details over email at hr@synapseindia.com. All current job openings are available on this link, where you can view and apply accordingly.